Hi everyone, this is Kipo Vlog. It's a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna guide ko another reaction video. Ang Don Welcome kay Alicia. And sa video without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Dito muna tayo ulit sa Reels. Kasi may na-discover ako yung mga video na hindi natin nakikita before. Wait lang, is this a surprise birthday? Hindi to surprise, no? Dami kong hindi nakikita. Hindi naman si Donnie. Si Belle. Si Belle. Magaan talaga. Pag nakikita mo si Belle na nakasmile, sobrang gaan ng vibe. Magaan talaga siya. Magaan talaga ang vibe niya. Sa totoo lang. Ay, ito. Oh my God. My God, napanood ko to. Nag-reaction video ko dito. Ang haba ng part nila. Alam mo, feeling ko, marami kasi nagtatanong feeling ko wala, hindi nagbayad si listener dito. Kay Vice, kanino pa? Kay Vice, sa mga artista, feeling ko konti lang yung binayaran niya dito Pero yung the rest, feeling ko wala. Mga kaibigan yung kinaklang, feeling ko walang bayad yan dito. Wapo nito ko nino. Bagay pala sa kanya maging teacher. Wala na. Ay, ano to? Close up doon, Ben. Ano bang tinanong? Bakit niya alam? Oh my God. Ang tagal na natin magkasama, no? Kasi nagawan ko pa to ng reaction video. Matagal na to 17 friends pa lang sila. Charis. Okay. Okay. Ganun ba talaga dapat? Don Bell first movie. Hindi na.
You guys?
Part of Don Bell. Ano to? No. Ay, hindi. Parang maganda to. Ay, ito bago.
First question is, anong pakiramdam sa lahat na nandito ngayon, isa na kayo sa mga seniors? Feeling old yet? Donnie, feeling old yet?
Ako, mas mag-observe ako ngayon kasi naalala ko yung mga times na nagsisimula pala ako, like as an 18-year-old, 17-year-old, how it felt to just be attending my first Star Magic Ball.
Right.
So it's nice that I get to reminisce these moments and I'm just enjoying every moment of it,
Right.
especially with an amazing partner.
I know who looks very, very expensive.
Yes, she does.
How much is that necklace that you're wearing? Grabe, glammed up.
Grabe, no?
Ano, senior na? Feeling old?
Grabe naman.
Feeling old. Senior na, feeling
Earlier
old.
na, when we were doing the I'm so excited to see the younger going to lead generation.
That's right.
But some of them are here, and I want to see how big they are now, how they've grown, and I'm so excited to see everyone all around us as well.
Are you guys excited to go back to work after Holy Week?
We are.
Okay.
We're very excited, but more especially, we're very determined kasi may mga challenges din sa mga roles namin which we're very much willing to face. And we're actually preparing as early as now. So,
We're meeting with our director, who we can't mention yet.
nga.
Wow.
Straight. Di ba?
Ay, oo nga.
Direct May.
Direct May.
Nag-meeting.
May meeting kayo eh, di ba?
Tatawa ako kasi I did an interview earlier. Sabi ko, ayun, yeah, interview with Direct May and we've done meetings with her, we've done workshops. So, yeah.
Plus, it's our first teleserye together. Ever. So, it's gonna be a new experience for us. And I'm just excited for everyone to see it as well.
Looking forward. First question is, anong pakiramdam?
Bago mag
Wait. Ito siya. Shy. Ano ba sa love shy? Kaya ang dami talaga. Ang dami talaga hindi ko pa napanood na. Doon. Ay, ano to? Ano? Ay, ini. Ano daw? Hindi ko... Hindi ko maintindihan. Oh my God! The sweetest number. Ganda ng boses ni Belle. Sin. Ay, ano to? Si Miss Ginger. Happy birthday!
Guys, ay nakasulat? The partner of the year!
Taray! Sana all! Charing, sana all! Anyways, this is it for today's video from Don Compilation. And this is Kimo Flags and see you in my next vlog. Bye!